Okay, what is the area enclosed by F and G here? So we're going to start by finding intersections. I. Uh-oh. Where is my border here? Intersections. There we go. So I set these two things equal to each other. And try to solve. So what I'll do is I'll square both sides. 4x squared is equal to x squared x plus 1. So I squared both sides. And what should I do next? Well, I want to solve by factoring. Always polynomial equation, try to solve by factoring. So I'll bring everything over to the left-hand side. Okay, notice that I did not expand this thing because I want to solve by factoring, which is the opposite of expanding. Factor of the x squared. And what do you get? You get x squared. 3 minus x equals 0. And what does that give me? Two solutions. From here, I get x is equal to 0. And from here, I get x is equal to 3. So 0. Those are my two solutions there. So I'll put these two things on a number line because I want to find out who is the upper function and who is the lower function between f and g. So 0 and 3 on a number line. And I do some test points to figure out what's happening. Okay, let's go, f of negative 1 is minus 2. G of minus 1 is 0. Yeah. So G is bigger than F. Right here. Now, what about something in this region? G, F of 1. Let's just do this mentally. F of 1 is 2. G of 1 is square root of 2, so F is actually bigger. And I'm going to guess over here that G will be bigger, but let's double check. Plugging in, say, 4. F of 4 is 8. Let's not do 4. Let's do, I got a square root here. So why don't I choose the number 8. X is equal to 8. So F of 8 would be 16. G of 8 would be 8 times 3, 24. Confirming my suspicion. G bigger than F. So what does this tell me? It tells me that for the important interval, F is the upper function. So I get integral from 0 to 3, and I do F minus G. And what happens there? I get 0, 3, what's F? What's F? F, 2x. 2x minus And then I gotta work this out. So to work this out, I will do a splitting of the expression into two separate integrals. Now I'm going to stop here because this ends up being a mess, which is not a very illuminating mess, so I will stop here. I will say that you should do a substitution. U is equal to x plus 1 will work here. And you grind this out as you should on your own time. And let's see what I got here. 19 over 15 is what this ends up being.